On today's video, we're going to change out a multi-port valve on our sand filter. We're going to replace it with the same exact valve. This is a Waterco 36-inch, 2-inch multi-port valve. So right here, just loosen up our unions. We have a total of 5. This is the backwash side. In and out to the valve. And then the connections to the tank. Just loosen them all up and then let our water drain out of the tank. After all the water drains out, we're just going to go ahead and remove the valve, the bad valve here. Just let the tank drain out. It takes about a minute or so. And here's the new valve that we bought. Put our O-rings on here. Lube them up. And just line it up and replace it. I like to start here at the tank first to get a good connection. Nice and snug. Nice and snug. And there it is there. Thank you for watching my tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe and like.